Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Z900 Super Sport. This bike has a ton of really cool extras. Adjustable levers, bar end mirror, engine guards, awesome sounding M4 exhaust pipe, rear fender eliminator, seat cowl, 2 brand new tires, only 8,900 miles on this bike, priced to sell for just $69.99. This is a ton of bike for the money. Don't miss out on this beautiful Z900 with lots of extras. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.